Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Luna Ray.
And I'm Zayn Cole. We are so happy you are here today. If you want to learn English fast, this episode is perfect for you.
Today's title is Learn English Fast with 120 Powerful Speaking Sentences. That means we will practice strong, useful, everyday sentences. Sentences you can use at work, at school, with friends, and when traveling.
Yes, not textbook English, real English, simple English, clear English, the kind of English that helps you speak with confidence.
And remember, you do not need perfect grammar to speak English. You need practice, you need courage, and you need powerful sentences.
Exactly. When you repeat strong sentences again and again, your brain starts to think in English. That is the secret.
So relax, take a deep breath. Say this with me. I can speak English.
I can improve every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Beautiful. Let's begin with daily life sentences. Imagine we meet in the morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm a little tired, but I'm excited to start the day.
That is real English. I'm a little tired. Simple and natural.
Now, listen to these powerful daily sentences. Repeat them in your mind. I'm on my way. I'll call you later. Can you help me? I need some advice. That sounds good to me. I totally agree with you. I'm not sure about that. Let me think about it. It depends on the situation. What do you mean?
These sentences are very useful. You can use them every day. For example, your friend says, "Let's go out tonight." You can say, "That sounds good to me."
Or if someone asks for your opinion, you can say, let me think about it.
Now let's continue with basic communication sentences. I understand. I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Could you speak more slowly? What time does it start? How much does it cost? Where is the nearest bank? I'm looking for this address. Nice to meet you. It's nice to see you again.
These are survival sentences. If you travel or meet new people, you need them.
And don't feel shy. Even simple sentences are powerful.
Now let's talk about work and study. I'm working on a new project. I have a deadline tomorrow. Let's schedule a meeting. I'll send you an email. Please check your inbox. I need more time. That's not my responsibility. I'll take care of it. Can we discuss this later? I appreciate your feedback.
I appreciate your feedback sounds professional and polite.
Yes, and it builds respect.
Now, let's practice feelings and emotions. Speaking English means expressing your heart.
Listen carefully. I'm really happy today. I feel stressed. I'm worried about the exam. I'm proud of you. I believe in you. I'm disappointed. I'm excited about this opportunity. I feel nervous. I'm grateful for your support. That makes me feel better.
If your friend passes an exam, you can say, "I'm proud of you."
If someone helps you, say, I'm grateful for your support.
Now, let's move to opinion sentences. In my opinion, this is a good idea. From my point of view, it's risky. I think we should try again. I don't think that's right. It might work. That makes sense. I see your point. You have a point. I completely disagree. Let's find a solution.
These sentences help you speak in meetings and discussions.
And notice we use simple grammar, clear structure, easy words.
Now, daily routine sentences. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work by bus. I have lunch at noon. I go to the gym after work. I spend time with my family. I watch TV before bed. I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm learning English every day. I'm saving money. I'm planning a trip.
When you talk about your life, use these patterns. I usually, I go, I'm trying.
Repetition builds fluency. The more you say these sentences, the more natural they feel.
You are already building strong English.
Keep listening. Keep repeating in your mind. You are doing great.
Welcome back.
If you are still listening, that means you are serious about improving your English, and we love that energy.
Yes, in the first part, we practiced daily life, work, feelings, and opinion sentences. Now we will continue with more powerful speaking sentences. Stay focused, listen carefully, repeat in your mind.
Let's start with social life and friendships. What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to join us? Let's hang out sometime. That's a great idea. I'd love to. Maybe next time. I'm busy right now. Can we reschedule? Thanks for inviting me. I had a great time.
These sentences are perfect for real conversations. Imagine your friend says, "We're going to a cafe." You can say, "I'd love to."
Or if you cannot go, you can say, maybe next time. It sounds polite and friendly.
Now let's move to problem-solving sentences. Life is not always easy, but your English can still be strong.
There's a problem. We need to fix this. Let's stay calm. We can handle it. What's the issue? I'll figure it out. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Let's try again. We learned something from this.
Let's stay calm is powerful. It shows leadership.
And we learned something from this shows growth. Very positive mindset.
Now, customer service and shopping sentences. These are very practical.
I'd like to order, please. Can I see the menu? I'd like a coffee. Can I get the bill, please? There's a mistake in the bill. Can I return this item? It doesn't fit. Do you have this in another size? I'm just looking, thank you. That's too expensive.
Imagine you are in a restaurant. The waiter comes, you say, "I'd like to order, please." Simple, clear, confident.
If something is wrong, you say, there's a mistake in the bill. Calm voice, clear words.
Now let's talk about future plans and goals. These sentences build confidence.
I'm going to start a new job. I'm going to study harder. I will call you tonight. I will never give up. I'm going to improve my English. I'm going to wake up earlier. I will focus on my goals. I'm going to change my habits. I will practice every day. I believe I can do it.
That last sentence is very important. Say it in your heart. I believe I can do it.
When you believe, your brain works differently. Your energy changes.
Now let's practice connection sentences. These help you continue a conversation naturally.
Tell me more. That's interesting. Really? How did that happen? What happened next? I'm listening. Go ahead. Take your time. I understand how you feel. That must be difficult.
These sentences make you a good communicator. People love good listeners.
Speaking English is not only about speaking fast, it is about connection.
Now let's move to some strong, confident sentences. These are powerful for your mindset.
I am improving every day. My English is getting better. I am not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me grow. I am proud of my progress. I can speak clearly. I am becoming fluent step by step. I deserve success. I am ready for new opportunities. I trust myself.
Repeat these sentences often, morning and night. They will change your confidence.
Now let's talk about vocabulary from today's part. When we say reschedule, it means to change the time of something. For example, can we reschedule the meeting?
When we say figure it out, it means to find the answer or solution. I'll figure it out means I will solve it.
When we say opportunity, it means a good chance to do something new or better.
When we say handle it, it means manage it, control the situation.
When we say deserve, it means you are worthy of something good.
Now let's practice question and answer again. Zayn, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to spend time with my family and relax.
How do you feel about learning English?
I feel motivated and excited to improve.
What will you say if you don't understand someone?
I'll say, could you repeat that, please?
Very good. Now it's your turn, dear listener. Answer in your mind. What are you going to improve this month? You can say, I'm going to improve my speaking skills. What will you do if you make a mistake? You can say, I will try again and learn from it. How do you feel right now? You can say, I feel confident and ready to speak.
Now we will do shadowing practice. Listen and speak at the same time. I can speak English with confidence. I practice every day. I am getting better and better. I will not give up. I believe in myself. I can handle real conversations. I am ready to speak in public. My English is strong. I am calm and confident. I am proud of myself.
Feel that power in your voice. Even if you are alone in your room, speak with energy.
Remember, fluency is not about speed. It is about comfort. When you feel comfortable, you speak better.
You are building that comfort right now.
And we are not finished yet. One more part is coming.
Stay with us. You are doing amazing.
Welcome to the final part of today's powerful practice. If you are still here, I want to say something important. You are serious. You are committed. And that is why you will succeed.
Yes, many people start. Few people continue. You are continuing. That already makes you different.
In this last part, we will review, practice deeper, and build strong speaking habits. Remember, learning English fast does not mean rushing. It means practicing smart.
Exactly. Short sentences, clear ideas, daily repetition.
Let's begin with real-life mini conversations using the powerful sentences you learned.
Imagine you are at work.
Luna, can you finish this report today?
I'll do my best, but I need a little more time.
That's fine. Can we discuss it later?
Yes, let's schedule a meeting this afternoon.
Perfect. That conversation is simple, but it is real. It is natural.
Now imagine you're meeting a new friend.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you do?
I'm working on a new project these days.
That's interesting. Tell me more.
See? Simple questions, simple answers, strong communication.
Now let's imagine a small problem.
There's a problem with the order.
Don't worry, we can handle it.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
No problem, I'll take care of it.
This is how confidence sounds. Calm, clear, direct.
Now let's review some key vocabulary again in very simple words. Deadline means the last day to finish something.
Feedback means comments about your work.
Reschedule means change the time.
Opportunity means a good chance.
Handle means manage or control.
Confident means you believe in yourself.
When you know the meaning clearly, you speak without fear.
Now we will do a deeper question and answer practice. Listen carefully and answer in full sentences in your mind.
Why are you learning English?
You can say, I am learning English to improve my career.
How often do you practice?
You can say, I practice every day for 30 minutes.
What will you do if someone laughs at your mistake?
You can say, I will stay calm and continue speaking.
What is your goal this year?
You can say, I'm going to become more fluent and confident.
Notice something important. Every answer is a full sentence, not one word. Always practice full sentences.
Yes, don't say only every day. Say, I practice every day. That makes your speaking stronger.
Now we move to our final shadowing practice. This is powerful. Speak with energy, speak with belief.
I am confident when I speak English.
I'm improving step by step.
Every day I become better.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I am brave enough to speak.
I can start conversations easily.
I can express my thoughts clearly.
I'm proud of my progress.
I will continue practicing.
I will never give up on my goals.
Feel those sentences. They are not just English practice, they are life practice.
The more you repeat powerful sentences, the more natural they become.
Your mouth becomes faster, your brain becomes sharper.
And one day, you will notice something beautiful. You are speaking without translating. You are speaking without fear.
That day will come if you stay consistent.
Remember this simple formula. Listen, repeat, use. Repeat again.
Speak in the mirror. Speak while walking. Speak while cooking. Speak in your room. Practice everywhere.
Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start with what you have.
And celebrate small wins. If today you speak one full sentence, that is progress.
If today you understand one new word, that is progress.
Progress is progress. Never compare yourself to others.
Compare yourself to yesterday.
Before we finish, let's say 3 final powerful sentences together.
I'm strong.
I am capable.
I'm becoming fluent in English.
Keep practicing these 120 powerful sentences. Use them in real life. Write them, speak them, live them.
This is Luna Ray.
And I'm Zayn Cole.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep speaking, keep growing. See you in the next episode.